Welcome to the second lesson of Pashto learning. As you look in the picture, this is eagle. In Pashto we call to it baz. As you look here, there are three letters: B, Alif, Z. B, Alif, Z. Baz. Baz mean eagle. This is an eagle. Mean da baz day. Baz mean eagle. Da baz day. This is an eagle. Da zed baz day. This is a yellow eagle. Yellow mean zed. Da zed baz day. Zed baz mean yellow eagle. Yellow mean zed. Baz the Afghanistan milli margha day. Eagle is national bird of Afghanistan. Eagle mean baz. National bird mean milli margha. National milli bird margha of Afghanistan. Afghanistan. You pronounce Afghanistan, but in Pashto we say Afghanistan. Watch again. Eagle mean baz. B alif z. Baz. Baz mean eagle. Da baz day. This is an eagle. Da zed baz day. Zed baz mean yellow eagle. Baz the Afghanistan milli margha day. Eagle is national bird of Afghanistan. Milli margha mean national eagle. Milli mim lam ye milli. Margha mim re ghain he margha. Mim re ghain he margha. Margha mean bird. If you have any question about this, so you can write it in Facebook or YouTube channel comments. Thank you. As in the last lesson, there are also four words. Bagh. Bagh mean garden. Bagh. Be alif ghain. Bagh. Bas. Basin bas. As this is also an English name, and this is common in Pashto. Bas. Basin bas. Boat. Boat mean show. Boat. Boat. Be wow te. Boat. Badrang. Badrang mean cucumber. Badrang. Be alif dal re nun gap. Badrang. Bas. Basin bas. Bagh. Be alif ghain. Bagh. Be alif ghain. Bagh. Boat. Be wow te. Boat. Be wow te. Boat. Boat means show. Badrang. Be alif dal re nun gap. Badrang. پښتو زده کړه فیسبوک پاڼه او یوټیوب چینل در سره خوښ او سبسکرایب کړئ. غزا نور زما فیسبوک دی او دا هم زما ټویټر. پاک الله مو مل شه.